I don't think he gets enough of this. No, he does. Another wicket. So I think he ran out Ollie Cox, and now he's out himself. Shahzeb Khan, who tried to go over mid-on, and they are now 4 down.
A big moment in the game. Shahzeb Khan, the settled batter, uses his feet, comes down the ground, doesn't get the elevation or the distance, and a very good catch by Usman Khan. He has been really good in the field for Rawalpindi Raiders. Just look at that. He understands the importance of this wicket. Shahzeb Khan has to walk back for 27. Mardan Warriors in trouble. 58 for 4.
Just cramped himself. Yeah! And there is another swing. Wild swing on that occasion across the line. And Ziaullah strikes for his 2nd wicket.
And what Ziaullah has done well here is he's just held it back. Bit of air. He was through the shot before the ball got anywhere near him. Dawood.
And there is another one. What a beauty from the left arm spinner Ziaullah, using the arm ball to good effect. 2 in 2, and he's on a hat-trick.
Gone through bat and pad. Oh, and it's actually brushed the bottom of the elbow. It was bouncing over the stumps. He won't mind. Side goes. He celebrates the wicket. 2 in 2.